Hello guys and welcome to Hakmon Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to recognize a bullish trend by using candlesticks method, by using the candlestick psychology. Now recognizing a trend, recognizing a bullish trend or recognizing a bearish trend, both can be sometimes difficult because in the stock market sometimes the prediction is difficult, but recognizing a certain trend is quite easy. Now now let's get started with how you can recognize a bullish trend by candlestick psychology. Now there are certain what you call that candlestick patterns which you should learn and apply those to your trading so that you can recognize the bullish and bearish trends by looking at the candlestick methods successfully. Now let me show it to you some of these patterns. One is right here. This is a bearish continuation downside gap 3 methods. You can see 1 2 and 3. Yes, two bearish candlesticks and one bullish. Two bearish candlesticks and one bullish candlestick shows that it is a bearish continuation trend. So patterns like these will help you recognize the mm, the trend in the trend in that particular stock. So in this case, it is it was true that what is its strength? Medium. Its strength is medium. So in this case, it was true that this is a bearish continuation, and it was a bearish continuation. So for that reason, you will have to recognize these patterns. You will have to learn these patterns to know where where a particular trend where a particular pattern might occur, like over here at these levels. Bearish reversal, reliability high, 3 outside down. Yes, green and 2 reds. Green candlestick and 2 red candles shows that it was a bearish continuation, bearish reversal, and reliability was high. At this level, this was not quite true, but after some time, it uh, it appeared to be evident that and the trend start to continue in the change its trend and continue into the downward direction. Now this was quite true because it was also a bearish, it occurred at a bearish trend continuation and bearish trend, and then the trend continued in the bearish direction, in the downward direction, and so on. So in this case, now how to recognize a bullish candlesticks? Well, a bullish candlesticks, you must know the psychology of the candlesticks. I've made a video on it before that, so if you guys don't watched it, do watch it and see for yourself what are the candlestick psychologies. Now in this case, as you can see that it's a bearish trend coming in a down, it's a downtrend, and at this level, as you can see that at this level, not this but this one, this level, it shows a dodgy star. It means that there was a fight between the bulls and the bears to gain control of the market. The bears at this level were exhausted, and the bulls were now strong, and they took control of the market. This one candlesticks you can this candlestick you can ignore, but there is one thing you cannot ignore about this candlestick, that this was a bearish candlestick, opened here and this was forming a lowest low of this one. The end of the wick is the lowest low of this candlestick, this one, and then the bulls pushed it back up, closing much higher than the lowest low, than the low of that day. And the next day, this is a bullish candlestick, and now the trend was bullish up till this level. Whenever these type of candlesticks occur, it means that it is a bullish candlesticks. Now this was also a bullish candlestick, but in a downtrend. Now this is in an uptrend. As you can see that at this candlestick, the bulls and the bears, the bulls have now gained control of the market at this point, so they push the market upward. At different levels, they push the market upwards. The bears tried to jump in the market but failed, and the bulls now continued the trend upward. At this level, now that at this level the trend is now this one is now again in a downtrend, but again the bulls con- sorry the bulls gain control of the market and push the market upward. So these type of things happen. You know that in the stock market there is a fight between the bulls and the bears. Both of them are fighting to gain control of the market. So in this case, as both of them are fighting to gain control of the market, you'll have to benefit from that fight. You'll have to read their psychology of what they want. The bulls are the strong or the bears are the strong. If the bulls are the strong, take long positions. If the bears are strong, short your position. Now in this case, the bears were strong. As you can see that a lot of bearish candlesticks occurred at this level. Now I want to show you one more thing at this level. Now as you can see that, wait, as you can see that this was a major resistance level, which became a support level by when these candlesticks broke this trend line. But again, as these line broke this trend line and it formed a lower low, so it means that this is a downtrend and you can short your position at that level. You can also take a look at it that there's a strong bearish candlestick occurred at the top of it, and then again a doji star. But this time the bulls wears the bulls won, but the bears were also active and they were ready to take their position, and again they took their position and pushed the market downward, pushed the market into a downtrend, as you can see at this level. So you will have to recognize these patterns. I've made a video on it, so if you guys want to see it, I will mention that in the corner somewhere here, so do check it out. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.